Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. Hope you're all doing fine. So, you know what time it is? Boom, boom. You know what time it is? Boom, boom. Time for Gummy to have her munchie. That's what time it is. Boom, boom. Time for another budget meal. Time for another budget meal. Listen, there's no wrong with living on a budget. No wrong at all. Okay? We've all got to eat, and this is how we do it. So I've got baked beans on toast. It is not even a half a tin of baked beans. It needed to be used. We've got 2 slices of toast. I put 2 eggs on the top as well. Should say cheesy baked beans. I put a little bit of cheese in just to give it a bit of taste. We've got with tomato sauce. Do you want to know what it is? I bought this sauce, right? And know how with Heinz tomato ketchup you need to shake it up, otherwise you get all that water on the bottom. I've never had an issue with this one. No water at all. Never had an issue with it. I haven't. So there you go. Itchy hand. Cup of coffee. I mean, listen, when you have a budget meal, don't be ashamed of it. We're living in hard times. Oh. I know you mamas out there run around, forget to eat. You need to eat. Even if it's something like this. I mean, even today, my son's 21, but I'll leave the big, like, meal stuff for when he's in. And I'll just go without. But I need to change that because obviously I need to eat myself. So, stuff like this is ideal. Do you know what I mean? You need to eat. Look after yourself. Because they need the mama and daddy. They need the mom and dad. So they need you to look after yourself. So you need to look after yourself. You need to look after yourself, guys. You know, when I first started this channel, I thought I need to stick to the trend. But in reality, I am the trend. No, but seriously. Seriously. I mean, the way things gone on, I feel like I am the trend. But nobody gives us credit for it, you know what I mean? So, just the way I feel. Just the way I feel. Well, no. You don't need to stick to a trend, guys. I just get motion sickness. But yeah. You do not need to stick to the trend. I mean, you can try. But make sure you remain yourself at the same time. And be honest with yourself. And give credit where credit is due. Just saying. This is lovely. Oh. Just say I can't stick with the trend of making a runny egg. But I digress. And I'll just scream inside. That kind of day simple runny egg. Oh. It was like, with my teeth, for instance, I was self-conscious about not wearing my teeth on videos because I thought myself, do you know what? Everybody else has got nice teeth. Here's me with no teeth. And I'm thinking, but this is who you are. Know what I mean? Stop trying to be like other people. Because you aren't other people, you're you. All have our faults, all have our flaws. We do. Just the way it is. Just the way it is. Bloody lovely. You can't tell us that you've never licked the plate clean. So in seeing that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you like these type of videos, please press like, subscribe, press that notification bell, share the video, share it to the world, share it on your want. Bye. Bye.